What's up guys? Lionel Turner here, One Way Property Services, out here on a lovely Southern California evening. A lot of you guys are baking, we're not baking, so it's don't need a jacket, but it's also not very hot. So at a Shell station out here in Pacific Beach, California. Pretty nice place actually, pretty nice area. Gonna get all these awnings done underneath. This is actually a job that I do with a good buddy of mine, little guy other than the white, Integrity Pressure Washing, out of I think it's out of Fallbrook, California. But we've been working together 20 years. That's one thing that I do value, is having somebody close to you within the industry. What's up? Making a video, leave me alone, don't hate on me. And having somebody who could help me out. He helped me build my rigs. He helped me get new machines on, helped me fix my equipment. Somebody totaled my trailer. He has a big giant workshop at his house, and with a forklift and a lift and everything. He helped me build my new trailers and things like that. It's great having people like that in the community. So here's a job. He does a lot of flat work. He doesn't do any J-rodding, any downstreaming, anything like that. So it's funny because he called me to do a job last year, and I actually use telescoping rods and things like that. Probably damaged a lot of buildings, but told him, hey, I'm going to show you a way to do this so you never have to use me ever again. He goes, nah, I enjoy calling you back. So here we are doing another one. Check it out. All right, man, got half it done. We got to do this in a little section. A couple things when you do these jobs. One thing is very important is make sure that you're tarping these things off. You have to be tarping these off. The last thing you want is come out and make some pretty good money on a job that end up costing a whole lot more money. So it's all looking good. Some things you have to look out for sometimes. Look at this, these little joints where the black's at. Those things are rounded off, and then they have a little slit for water you get through there. You have to set customer expectation that it's going to be very hard to get that clean, almost impossible. So the customer here, who's done this job a few times, he knows, he understands. But when you're seeing kind of dirt left behind, but it's in an area where you really can't pressure wash, it will kind of mess with your mind a little bit, because you want to make sure you do a good job and get it all clean. But this section's done. We're working on service cleaning over there. I'm gonna get done doing it, so getting the service cleaning here done and get this bad boy knocked out, go home and go to bed. Got an early job in the morning. All right, guys, we're just about all wrapped up out here. Had to do a couple little touch-up spots just because there's actually the maintenance guy who's pretty much the manager. I just got some water in my eye. Okay, anyways, he's the maintenance guy, but he's pretty much the manager of a few of these that my buddy does, that he has me come out and help out. So a couple spots that he wanted to see could be touched up. It's actually, I'll show you, these plastic pieces up there, they're kind of encased, but yet moisture gets inside them. So sometimes you see drips coming, which is on the inside, and it's just a pain in the tail. It's a pain in the tail, you really can't get it, but he wants us to go back and double check, hit it one more time, and do another process, no problem, just to show him that, hey, we're doing the best that we can, and it's not us. But everything's service clean. You know, the importance of heat, guys, it's the importance of heat. If you're going to be doing gas stations, yeah, you can put all the degreaser you want, but if you don't have heat to get all the gum up to really pull the diesel up, like this is still wet, but this is looking absolutely freaking fantastic. So got it all rinsed down, finishing up the reclaim. The guy over there with that crazy looking gun, what is he, you see him? Up there on the ladder, he's getting on the front of the cameras. That way the front of the cameras, yeah, right there, the front of the cameras all nice and clean, so they don't have spots. And you know, we came here to clean it. We want to make sure every area of it is absolutely clean. So this is a successful job. It's getting easier than it was even last year. We came out here, I think we did it just with extension wands and heat, and it was a pain in the tail, and it breaks your body off. So I've learned quite a bit since then, and finding new processes, ways to do a better job and doing it more efficiently and quicker, which is really, really important. So that's about it. One Way Property Services, 760-703-9563. My buddy over here, Dave from Integrity Pressure Washing. You want to go with me, you want to go with him, either which way. Both gonna get good quality service. I don't know his number offhand, but Integrity Pressure Washing, love that man. I appreciate everything he's done for me throughout the years and helped build me as a better washer, as a good friend, and as somebody who throws work my way. When those times are rough, every now and then, he'll be the guy right there to have a job for me, and I really do appreciate that stuff from the bottom of my heart. But yeah, out.